Okay, today kids we're going to talk about multiplication and what it is. Multiplication is a lazy way to add. You're thinking, wait a minute, then shouldn't we just add then? Well, here's the asterisk for that. Lazy is math for easier, is math, and we're saying it as if it were a language. Lazy is math for easier and fewer headaches and fewer mistakes. We like lazy. Yay! Okay, it's a good thing. It's saying basically that every multiplication problem is in fact an adding problem. You could even write over the first number that you see in a multiplication problem, add. Add 6, how many times? 5 times, and then add them on top of each other. And if you don't believe me, you could just do 2 parts of it, then find out the total, which would be 12, and then 12 plus 6 would be 18, and 18 plus 6 would be 24, and 24 plus 6 is 30. Also, remember, it doesn't matter which order you do them in, so you could just do add 5 6 times, but that would probably be an extra number that you'd have to add. So I always choose the larger number to be the one added by the smaller number. So as over here, when we're doing 3 times 9, we could just add 9 3 times instead of 3 9 times. And now that we're over here on this page, let's just focus on some key points. First of all, we don't have to do adding. We can do arrays. Arrays are neat little drawings where we list everything in. Remember that multiplication represents real things. So we could be talking about boxes. Maybe we have 3 boxes and each box has 9 cookies in them. How many cookies do we have all together? Well, we can just easily make this for our note. We could just put 3 rows. I have 3 rows, and a row is horizontal. And in each row I have 9. So then I write, or well, in this case it's not, obviously these aren't cookies, but these would, it could be whatever. 3 times 9, I could have 3 rows with 9 stars in them. So then I count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and then all the way to 27, and then we have it. And then the third thing that we can do always is memorize your facts, your multiplication facts. That's the key to it, because, this is a good thing. This is a good thing to use multiplication as a lazy way to add. It's so much easier. And what's even easier is once you have it multiplied, once you know your multiplication facts, it's going to be a lot easier for you. Okay? It's going to be a lot easier than having, because if you don't, doing these big problems is going to be a little bit harder if you have to do this kind of thing, an array for each one, or adding for each section that you're doing, because you're going to have to do it for this, you're going to have to do it for that, and then here you're going to have to do it, and then you're going to have to do it again to this number in the tens place. And so it just saves a lot of time, kids. Thank you again.